Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sunil. I hope everyone is doing good. So today I will be sharing with you the important things of open interest and how to do intraday trading with the help of open interest and how to pick up the stocks for intraday. So everything I will be explaining you in this video. So let's come to the website. So mostly I will be using i4option.com. So this is a primary and a subscribed website. So mostly I will be using this for intraday and also for the swing trades. So here in futures dashboard, here I will be checking the top price gainer and the top long buildup for going long in the stock. And this is only for the derivatives stock trading. And if you want to go long, so this will help you while checking the price and while also checking the long buildup. And if you want to short the market, you can check the top price losers and also the top short buildups. So mostly what I will be checking, if there is a top long buildup, that should be more than 10% here. And price it should be more than 5, and I will be showing you on the charts how I will be checking the price action. So these two are very important for going long or for going shorts. So see what I found, the delta cop on Friday, it has hit of 12.96. So we'll just check the delta cop in charts. So this is trading view. I hope everyone knows this. I will be using CPR. This is the CPR. In upcoming videos, I will make a video on the CPR, how to use the CPR. CPR is known for center pivot range. So let us check the trend of the stock. We will go for 1 day time frame and we'll see. I have already marked the support and resistance for this stock. So this is in a downtrend as of now, and also I will be using a EMA, exponential moving average. So already all the moving average has been broken for this stock. This stock is very weak as of now. Hope we can find some reversal at this point. So I will be hiding this. Let's go for more higher time frame, that is 1 week. So I have already marked here the price action. This should be the support. Why I have marked this? Because see, many time it has become a resistance and also a support. Then it broke here and again it has took the support. So this is a hanging man candle. So this also shows the reversal of this stock. So we can hope some reversal from this point. As we can see, the seller has dragged the price of the stock till 163, 164, and the buyers are very bullish for this. They have taken the stock price here somewhere and they have closed around here 184. So what we understood is in 1 week time frame there should be a reversal for this, and in 1 day time frame what we have seen, it has already took the support, and this is a bullish engulfing candle. So the body of this candle is very big and it is very bullish. So we can take a bullish view for this stock. So let's come to 5 minutes and we will check what we can do. So it takes 15 to 20 minutes or 30 minutes. It depends on the stock demand to generate the open interest. So we can wait till 9:30 or 9:45 to check the open interest, what it is forming in I4 option website. So we have already seen. So this is the data of Friday. So we are unable to see the open interest long build up here for Delta Corp. So basically what we can do, we have seen the bullish engulfing candle for the 5 minutes time frame, and it's tried to break this, but it has not broken here. But still we can take a trade on the third closing candle, a bullish view. We can make a trend line like this, okay, and we can take a trade here, and we can, our target should be here somewhere around this, and our stop loss should be here. This is a very small scalping trade I am talking, for only for one 5 minutes candle, 1 to 2 5 minutes candle. So what had happened at 9:15? Here we will check. 9:25 we will check. This is also a very good website, guys. We can check all the long build up, short build ups. So in futures, long versus short, I will be choosing my stock Delta Corp in 5 minutes time frame. So around 9:10 we don't have any build-ups here. At 9:20 there was some short covering. Then here we don't have any long build-ups here. Still long unwinding, short covering, long unwinding, short covering. So we don't have any view as of now till here. But as per the price action, we can take a bet on this. So mostly what people do, they won't take that much chance. They will wait for this to break out. Once this is breaking out, this channel, so they will get 100% confident in their trade. So see how many times, 1, 2, 3 times it has taken the support here and it rallied. So here at this time we can check 11 o'clock what happened, open interest. 11:15 long unwinding, short covering, short covering. This is also a confirmation of the stock can move higher. So people have taken the trade at 10:45 who has gone long here. So they have booked the profit long unwinding here or here. As the market is closed, we are unable to see the most of the things here, or it will be updated tick by tick. It takes 3 to 5 minutes. This website will be delayed as it is not, I am not have taken the premium of this. So this helps a lot in picking the stock. One more website I will be sharing with you. This also helps you for the swing trades. That is Obstra. Hope you guys came across this Obstra. So we will be going here, open interest analysis. We'll explore. Here we'll select our stock, that is Delta Corp. See what we understand from this is, these are the put buyers. This is the open interest and this is the change in open interest. On Friday, what happened? All the put buyers has unwinded their longs, and here the call writing also has been unwinded. Why? Why? Because see, this share has been falling from continuously falling from few days. So what many people have imagined, it will fall, because we also seen there was a support at 140. So people might have thought it can go till 140. So they have made a bearish view for this stock, and they have made all the put buyers have made a bearish view here, and they are the call writers. So now on Friday there was a bullish rally, so this all has been unwinded the positions. And in open interest, what happened, we have seen there are the put writers became stronger here till here. And this can also be a call writer or also a call buyer. We cannot judge by this, but maximum this chart represent about the call writers only. But as per the price action, we can understand what was the action happened there. We can imagine here too. So what I can say, it has a chance of going till 200. Now it is trading around 185, has an opportunity to go for 200. So this shows for the Friday's data. So we'll come to OI buildups. So in OI buildups, this is a call and this is the put. We don't see any long buildups anyway, but we have seen the short coverings. So call has been shorted, short covered everywhere. So what I have told here, the exactly is representing here. So all the call writer has winded up. They have covered their short because they know it will go up now. So we also have seen long unwinding too. So this can be a hedging position, like they have purchased a call at 235 and they have sold the call return here. They got an hedging position here. And at put side, we have seen all the long unwinding. As I told, it was in a bearish territory. So all blindly have taken a put have purchased a put. Now they have run for the cover. So this is also a very good website. It helps a lot in taking a positional view. But I'm not telling you to purchase this right now. It's depend up to you guys. Take your own risk. I'm not suggesting any share or stock here. This is only for educational purpose. I hope you people have liked my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please do let me know do if I have missed to share anything in this analysis. So I will be coming up with more videos. Happy weekend, guys. Take care. Bye.